You searched how to buy shares of Net Lease Office Properties, and the company owns and manages leased office buildings, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker NLOP. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and deposit funds before purchasing. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker NLOP to find the listing. Then select the Net Lease Office Properties result that matches the company name and ticker. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the displayed company name and ticker to make sure it is the correct stock. Click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as pending. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown in this video.